Alright guys, here we are on the Elation. I said we've actually are celebrating our kids' birthdays, as you can see. They have room M70. We have M74. We're going to show you what we have here. This is an Oceanview, standard Oceanview room. Obviously, when you come in, you're going to have your safety information here. It's going to explain to you where your muster station is and how to get there. You also have a little peephole here. The safe right here as you come in the door. You have a couple drawers and some shelves. And you have two closets. It's got a hanging closet here. This shelf does flip down, so you can make this a large hanging closet. There's your life jackets. Same thing here. Got a long closet. There's no drawer in this one or shelf in here. It's also a hanging closet. We've got some things shoved up there, and we use that for our shoes. You have a little desk. Right in here is our refrigerator that does not work, but that is where it is. Here's this is where you'll find your hair dryer. Our catch-all drawer, and then you have a vanity stool here. The Elation actually went through a refit. Well, it was in dry dock a couple years ago where they changed all this furniture here, and then they added some USB chargers and this power strip, which was not here before. And I said you've got your, I believe it's the European plug here, two 110 outlets, two USBs. And on the other side of my wife over there is two more USB chargers there. So you have some reading lights on each side right here on both sides. That's your light switch for the overhead lights. You have a switch right there and a switch right there by the door. I said we have an Oceanview cabin. They've changed the TVs instead of that little bitty TV. I think it was a 46-inch now. Take a look out the windows. We're actually leaving Jacksonville right now. Did a video a little bit ago when we were going under the Dames Point Bridge. So I said this is the large, what they call the picture window Oceanview. Most of the Oceanviews are like this unless you end up with a porthole room, which is going to have the little small round windows. Alright, this is not a big cabin, in case you guys didn't notice that. I said this is a small ship. The larger ships you're going to have, usually you'll have three cabinets here. You'll have a sofa and a vanity and everything on the other side. So take a look at our little bathroom. Alright, if you don't have one of these, you're going to need one of these, especially with, well, any cruise, especially for a bathroom this size. Keep a lot of your bathroom essentials, your jewelry, things like that in here. Like I said, this is a very small ship, but it has a very small bathroom. So here you see your toilet. You have a small sink with not a lot of shelf space, guys. So you can see back here, there's not a lot of room here for much. Okay, I thought maybe that was a shaver plug, but I don't know what that is up there. So I don't see an outlet anywhere here. There's another small shelf there, but they've got it filled with things. There's a shower. It's a decent sized shower. So they're usually plenty big enough for you. You also have your clothesline here for your wet towels, swimsuits, and things to dry. You're going to have a shampoo and a shower gel, no conditioner. And this is your thermostat control. Here's your pressure and your thermostat. Alright guys, we are almost always traveling with the four of us. So in this room, because of how small it is, we opted for adjoining cabins. There's supposed to be a magnet up here. There we go. Magnet up here to hold the door open. And we'll come in here to the kids' room. There's my daughter Sophie. Hi, Sophie. And there's Jay over there taking a nap. As you can see, they're going to have the same size TV here. These two twin beds also go together to make another king size bed. You can see, I'm pretty sure Jay's pillow is behind his charging ports. Yep, USB chargers there. Same light switch. USB chargers on this side as well. One place to hang your things. I said it's a mirror image of our room. I said what makes it nice is the adjoining cabin. So that gives us a lot more room, especially when you're traveling with family. I said they have rooms that are the same size as this, and they have pull down beds up here that come down out of the ceiling. Usually you'll have the king size beds here pushed together, and then they'll have a Pullman that comes down on this side and this side. So they're actually sleeping right over your head. It's freaking crazy. So this is definitely the better way to go if you're traveling with family like we are. Very nice. All right, cruise time. Say hi. All right, we appreciate it, guys. So let's look at the Elation on the standard Oceanview. Thank you.